how to fix Valorant UEFI secure boot error in Windows 11. So this all comes down to clicking on just a few settings inside of your motherboard's BIOS, which is pretty simple to do, and of course I will show it to you in just a second. In terms of like a little explainer, so these settings are just related to your security. So they have like a chip installed inside of your motherboard that is taking care of the security so that you're not hacked, so that the viruses don't penetrate your system, so that you don't have any trojans or whatever. And you just need to enable these two settings, which is TPM 2.0 and secure boot, and then your game will start and you can play all perfectly with no errors. So guys, let us now open the motherboard's BIOS and I will show you what to do to fix this error. Alright, so I'm restarting my PC now, and let me show you guys what to do. So press on delete or whatever hotkey you have to launch your BIOS. I have delete on my particular MSI board. And there you go, this is going to be your motherboard's BIOS. And now guys, let us search for those two functions. Alright, so you go to your settings, then you go to security, and make sure that your secure boot right over here is enabled. As you can see, in my case it's enabled, so all good. And also now TPM, so this feature is going to be called differently on different motherboards. In my case it should be as FTPM. Okay, so in my case it's once again security, then trusted computing, and enable this AMD FTPM switch. As you can see, in my case it's enabled, and my Valorant is running all good. So FTPM, switch, and trusted boot or trust boot or whatever it's called. And after that, you just go ahead and restart your PC just normally like this. Let me just save the changes like this, and now let your PC restart, and everything should be running all perfectly. So that's it. That's the technique of fixing this error. Enjoy guys. If this helps you out, like and subscribe.